Look, I know this video's coming out late. I apologize. I was traveling and, you know, I do this in my free time, so, well, you know, it's like the old adage goes, the best things in life are free? No, he means you get what you pay for.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. Oh yeah, that guy's excited and so am I. Today I'm going to show you guys my live cop for week 13 of Supreme. I did do a live cop this week. I did get a couple of items, so I'll show you that video in a second.
No! God, please, no!
And then I want to take you through some of the items that I got while I was on my trip for work, one of which is the SB Gundam Dunk.
Yeah, boy.
That's right, I'll show that one off in hand at the end of this video. First off, let's jump right into that live cop and I'll show you what I did for Supreme's Week 13. Alright, I'm over at the computer now, a minute before the drop. I've basically opened up the accessories tab and the hats tab. My goal today, I'm just going to try to go after a crusher, and I'll get a book and a keychain and maybe the snowman beanie. If I can do those four things, then great. I can't get the crusher, I'm just going to dump the rest of this stuff. So I'm just going to start refreshing here because we are getting close to the moment. I do think that all these collab pieces, all the sweaters and stuff, are going to do well down the road. They just definitely need some time. So it's hard to put like $500 into something that might make some money down the road. Actually, I'm gonna go with this one. Add to cart. Let's see, snowman beanie. I think that's cute. Add to cart. Go to accessories, refresh. Take a book. Add to cart. You know what? Let's grab that too. I think that's gonna give me, yep, free shipping. Let's do it. I have agreed. Process payment. Let's see if we can get this. This is a really fast, easy cart. It took me, I was really slow, but this will be a free shipping cart, and we'll get the paper as well. So I'm gonna start doing some. Oh, there it is, easy, nothing, no problem. Okay, all right, cool, man. That was it. That's a really fast day. I just went with the multicolored one because I thought, oh dang it, I wanted to get the keychain. Oh well, well that's fine. I went with the paper anyways. Since I'm home for the drop, I felt like I needed to try something. I think the crusher is going to do really, really well over time. Obviously nobody's gonna buy it. It didn't sell out. It's kind of expensive, but I know that it will sell out. I don't think they've made that many of them. Pretty easy live cop, no problem. That's about all I want either. I wasn't gonna go for anything else. Wasn't really into any of the hoodies, and I thought that the collab pieces were just a little more expensive than I was interested in, so there you go. Now that was probably the biggest brick cart that I ever had purchased from Supreme. I'm sure there's worse. I would really have to do some researching to see if I've done anything as crazy as this one. A crusher that is still sitting on the site today. This is Saturday morning. And that ream of paper maybe was a little bit of a stretch for sure. But, you know, at least the book and the beanie should be something neat. And honestly, I bought the crusher instead of buying, like, one of the sweaters or one of the jackets. I kind of just want to see what it's like in hand. And honestly, tuck it away. I have a lot of faith that that item will appreciate over time, even though it's still literally sitting on the site. It's just a really expensive crusher, to be fair, so it's gonna be hard. Like, I have one of the Stone Island ones from the last collaboration as well, and basically that thing is still sitting in my closet. Coca-Cola, the choice of a new Pepsi generation. I think that's their motto. This video is sponsored by Coca-Cola. Go to your local Coca-Cola dealer and snort some up today. That's not how Coca-Cola works. Okay, that's cocaine that I did. I'm sorry. Okay, well, I guess I'll probably lose that sponsor now. Speaking of brick carts, guess what, guys? I have a bunch of stuff that came in while I was gone, so I want to go ahead and unbox some of it. I just don't remember grabbing too much at all while I was gone, so most of this stuff I bought before I even came.
That's what she said.
And I just now got the shipping confirmation for the CDG backpack, so that should show up sometime next week. Hopefully I can show you guys that piece before I take off. I have to do another trip again. Anyways, let's jump into it. This is sort of an eclectic mix of things, not just Supreme.
I don't care.
First box. Okay, so yeah, okay. A brick cart for sure, but they did a restock on some of the Hanes, so these are some of the bigger sized Hanes boxers, the pink ones. The XLs sold out really quickly. I don't know why I bought one pack. I should have probably bought multiple, but whatever. At the end of the day, I did grab some of these.
Stop it. Get some help.
And of course, you can't just single cart underwear, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these hats since I hadn't grabbed one before. These Supreme hats fit me really, really well. So these are those like just straight up dad hats, but I love the fastener in the back. I just think it's a really nice hat. So these are really wearable everyday hats. Black hats are always a great multi-card item. I've been preaching it to you guys since the beginning. Alright, we got some stuff from the Pokemon Center, of course.
And you're a Discord admin? Oh my god.
God, yeah, okay, this is from Pokemon Center, so nerd alert. These were some restocks on Shining Fate Elite trainer boxes. This may be one of the items that gets put into the reseller starter kit now that I have 4 of them. These are great little kits. They have good cards in them, so I'm doing these more for collecting, but you can see what's in these kits. These type of things will tend to go up after they stop printing the sets.
Nice.
Right now, they are selling out pretty quickly, but they are printing more, so a lot of these they'll keep making prints of. These Elite Trainer boxes are in a fair amount of demand. Not necessarily these at the moment, but these ones should keep their value and or go up from here. They do have some pretty good cards in here. At the end of the day, these will go up. Extra nerd alert, I got another box from them too. This is a different set. This one's the Fusion Strike Elite Trainer box. This comes with some extra packs in it. This is a special edition just from Pokemon Center. So the regular Elite Trainer boxes for these have 8 packs. The ones from the Pokemon Center have 10, and the art's a little different on these than the other one.
Surprise, motherfucker.
So there you go, nerd alert. Okay, and then this box is the second cart that I got on the CDG week, the manual cart. So we've got a purple hat that literally is still in stock. It's YouTuber approved. Very, very nice quality wool hat. This particular wool has a little tag special in it for you. These hats are sitting right now. This is a really high quality hat. This feels amazing in hand. These are sitting on the site right now.
That's pretty good.
You should probably pick one of these up. They won't sit for very long. Really high quality S logos. You don't really see them that often. I know because it's wool, I think people are like, oh, I don't want a wool hat. Some colors sold out, but this one is literally still sitting, so I got the brick. These were under the radar a little bit that week, and they're still sitting. And then take a look at this guy. Look at that. That's really, really nice. The embroidery there. Then you have the bug here checking you out. He's gonna come attack you. They shouldn't have let me have a video camera. I'm not lying to you. This is actually one of the nicer beanies that I've held. And you know that a lot of beanies have come through this home. Really nice beanie, really high quality. Totally recommended. I think if you guys grab this, or even the other one, the other colorway, you'll be really happy with this sucker.
Okay.
And then finally, everybody's favorite. Check this out. I hit these off the Nike app the day before the Tiffany box logo, and I thought it was going to be an omen of the week to come. The Gundam SB Dunks. So when you open the box, it comes with an extra swoosh, kind of similar to those old Travis Scott deals, where you can Velcro it on and off. I'll show you the shoe in a second. And then there are some stickers, or maybe they're tattoos, I'm not even sure, of all the Gundam and Unicorn Dunk kind of stuff going on. And SB logos, really cool stuff, really cool package. I'm trying to show it all off as best I can. And then the shoe itself, here you go, boom. This is a really, really interesting looking shoe. I love the details, like this is completely cut into the shoe. You can kind of see the little indentation there, and it really makes it kind of look like it has the ability to kind of transform or, you know, break down into itself. I don't want to mess with it too much, but yeah, so these come off Velcro. You can put the other ones back on. I had such a huge debacle with FedEx. For some reason, when I bought them, the app had my old address, not my new address. I haven't been at that address for 100 years. I had to actually go into LA proper and pick these up.
Got him!
But the story doesn't end there. I get them to my house, and I get called by FedEx again, and they say, hey, we have a package for you at the FedEx location in Studio City. And I said, oh, I already went to grab it. I have it right next to me. She says, no, I'm holding it right here. There's another package. And she told me the tracking number, and it was the same as the one I had in my hand. And I said, do you have that box in your hand right now? And she said, yes. Woo! So basically, I drove down to the FedEx location as fast as I could, got there, and they handed me a package. And inside of that package, oh, what? I got 2 SB Gundam Dunks both of them white. Nike gave me 2 for Tuesdays on these suckers. I got both of them here. That is crazy, guys, crazy. Oh! I look at my receipts. I paid for one of them. They gave me 2 of them. It must have been a shipping problem. I don't know. Thank you very much, though. I've definitely given Nike far more than $120, and I'm sure they'll screw me out of something later. So it's all fair in love and shoes. Since the heavens have blessed me with basically a free pair of shoes, I'm definitely thinking that these will end up in a giveaway at some point in time. And potentially, if and ever I hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, this might be the giveaway item that I'm looking for, and by then I bet they'll be quite an expensive little item. So definitely stay tuned, definitely pay attention. This guy is going to go to a subscriber down the road for sure. But for now, I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and we're really close. We're like 25 people away, and what I plan to do is a $200 reseller starter kit. So it could have shoes in it. It'll definitely have a bunch of Supreme in it. And honestly, if you win, I can definitely work with you to kind of give you things that you are more interested in and potentially get you your sizes, all that kind of stuff. So all you need to do to be entered in to win this $200 mystery box raffle prize giveaway thingamabobber is to subscribe to the channel. And then when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to need you to comment on that video. So turn notifications on. I don't know, whatever it is that you need to do. Set an alarm, but you're a responsible person. Figure it out. Alright guys, so there you go. Was a crazy week for sure. Good and bad. Work was crazy. Free shoes are amazing, but what's even more amazing is that you're still here and watching this. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and you know that I will see you next video.
Whispers.